let's talk about the Drip Buddy system. How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to touch on the Drip Buddy system. There's been a lot of confusion for many on how exactly this system works and how it operates as far as when rewards are paid out and what qualifications you need to meet in order to be eligible to even receive those rewards. First and foremost, you don't actually need a Drip Buddy code in order to utilize the Drip ecosystem. There's a lot of things you can take advantage of, just like with regular DeFi, such as buying, selling, and transferring the token, holding for value, and entering into other features such as the Drip Garden, all without a buddy code. Now, the buddy code is primarily used for the Drip Faucet smart contract. If you want to learn a little bit more about how the Drip Faucet smart contract works, you can go ahead and click on the icon that is appearing on your screen now and watch my Faucet contract video. As is the case with all of my content, this video is not financial advice. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. So without further ado, let's go right into how the Drip Buddy system works. The Buddy system is a way that you can receive extra Drip tokens in your deposit to earn a higher daily earning from your 1% daily rewards. However, participation in the referral system is not required. Other than needing a buddy code to start, you can use the Faucet smart contract of Drip as just a daily 1% return on your deposits, and that's it. You do not need to recruit anyone, and you do not need to build a team to receive your rewards. This buddy system is just an incentive for those who wish to participate to earn more tokens in their deposit for a higher daily return. They are not paid out directly at all for any referrals. All of the referral bonuses you receive do not go directly into your wallet. They go directly into your deposit, which gives you a higher yield in your 1% earnings. So it does not give you a direct contribution into your wallet, just into your deposit, which you can earn more of a reward from. However, there are two qualifications to receive rewards from the referrals in the Buddy system of Drip. The first to qualify for receiving rewards requires that you have a positive net deposit. You can find this number by taking your deposit amount plus the airdrops you've both sent and received, and plus your hydrations, and then subtract your claims tokens. If the number you get from that equation comes out to a positive number or a number above zero, then you qualify with a positive net deposit. However, after taking your deposits and your other positive actions and you subtract the claims token, and that brings you a number below zero, so -1 or lower, then you have a negative net deposit and you do not qualify for any Buddy system referral rewards. The second requirement is that you must hold BR34P token in your wallet. The BR34P token is the REAP token R34P on the Binance Smart Chain, which is one of ForexShark's earlier projects. You will need at least 2 of these tokens in order to qualify for the direct referral bonus. I really want to highlight this for people to understand. You need to have at least 2 BR34P tokens sitting in your wallet in order to receive any referral rewards out of the Buddy system, even for direct referrals from your buddy. So if you want to go ahead and refer people and gain an extra kickback from that, you need to hold at least 2 BR34P tokens in your wallet. You don't have to do anything other than have those tokens in the same wallet that you're interacting with the Drip Faucet smart contract. There are also 2 different referral systems that are basically set up in the Drip system. The first is a direct referral, which requires the 2 BR34P tokens we just went over, and the second is a downline or round robin referral system, which requires even more BR34P tokens, which we will go over here in a second. So for direct referrals, you will get a referral bonus of 10% of the deposit that the person you refer deposits into the Faucet smart contract after the taxes are paid on the new deposit of 10%. So to give you an example of what this means, if the person you refer deposited 10 Drip tokens into the Faucet contract after using your buddy code, they would actually deposit 9 Drip tokens because of the 10% tax. That goes to the rewards pool, and you will receive 10% of those 9 tokens at 0.9 tokens that would be added to your deposit and not to your wallet, so that you can earn more yields on your 1% daily reward. For downline referrals, there is up to 15 levels of downlines that are possible, but you must hold the right amount of BR34P token to even qualify for those different levels of downlines. This list that you're seeing on the screen now will show you how many BR34P tokens are required at each level in order to receive the round robin Drip referral bonus. So if you have 2 tokens of BR34P, you'll get the 1 downline, which is your direct referrals. 3 tokens would give you 2 downlines, 5 tokens would give you 3 downlines. And this goes so on and so forth up until a whopping 1,597 tokens for 15 downlines. So this would be the person you refer is 1 downline, the person they refer would be your 2nd downline, so on and so forth. Now, direct referrals always receive their referral bonus first after a new person makes their initial deposit. But after they make their initial deposit and then either deposit a second time or they decide to hydrate their tokens, instead of you receiving the reward again for them making those positive actions, the rewards would then start going up your uplines and they would take turns receiving the additional bonus in the round robin system. So the round robin system only pays out to 1 person per positive action. So whether it's a direct referral or a round robin referral, anytime anyone makes an action in Drip, whether it's making a deposit or a hydrate, only 1 person, if they're eligible, will receive a reward for that player having done that. A positive action would be a hydration or a deposit. This is because a hydration is essentially just a claim and a deposit in one action. The reward you receive in the round robin system is 10% of hydrations after the 5% tax is applied, or 10% of your deposit after the 10% deposit tax has been applied. Just like the example we went over earlier with direct referral rewards. However, if a wallet in your upline is a team wallet, meaning they have 5 or more direct referrals, they will actually receive 7.5% instead of the usual 10%, and the extra 2.5% will be sent back to you as an airdrop. So having more team wallets in your upstream is beneficial to you, as at each time it hits one of those team wallets, you're going to be getting a 2.5% airdrop kickback for every hydration or deposit you make based upon who it's hitting in your uplines. Now, the team wallet feature also applies to the direct referral bonus as well. So if you have a team wallet and someone makes their initial deposit and pays the 10% fee, instead of getting that 10% bonus like you would prefer, just like with the round robin system, you'll get 7.5%, and the other 2.5% will be kicked back to the person who just made that deposit as a team airdrop. Now, if you were the last to receive, the next person to receive the bonus in the round robin system is the next wallet up the line who is qualified to receive that bonus, meaning that they carry a net positive deposit and have enough BR34 tokens to be eligible to receive rewards from that depth in their downline. If they do not qualify, they are skipped. Once rewards make it through the 15 potentially eligible wallets for rewards, the next reward goes to nobody before the process begins again at the direct referral, or rather the person whose buddy code they used. This process then just repeats on a loop for every positive action that that specific wallet takes. And this applies to all wallets within the Faucet Smart Contract system, even if you're not participating in the Buddy System Rewards program. I know this is a tricky system for a lot of people to understand, so if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer those as best as I can. Now, for direct airdrops in the Buddy system that are not a part of the automatic 2.5% team wallet airdrops to team members, Drip can be sent either at random or to a selected amount of wallets on your team. Or you can also send directly to a specific wallet using the direct airdrop feature. Team leaders are in no way required to send direct airdrops or team airdrops outside of the automatic 2.5% team wallet rewards. However, with my team, I will be doing direct airdrops. You are in no way required to use my buddy code link in order to go ahead and join the Drip network. However, if you would like to join my team and use my buddy code, the link for that will be in the description of this video. I hope this video was able to clarify how the Drip buddy system works and functions. If you came this far into the video, don't forget to smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, turning the notifications on so you can know when I produce new content. Thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you in my next video. Diamond Fist.